Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. So first things first, we'll need to make sure that Snapchat is up to date. So let's head on to Google Play Store and then let's search for Snapchat. Once you're there, click on update if it gives you the option to do so. Since mine's already up to date, let's go ahead and open the application. Once you're inside of the app, you'll see the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. And then on the lower right corner, you'll see a blue icon that will allow you to compose a new message. Click on that. And then at the top of the screen, there's a button that says New Group. Once you've clicked on that button, it will take you to a new page where you can type in the name of your group. Let's say this is our group name. And then at the middle of the screen, you'll see the list of people that you can add into your group chat. Take note that you can select up to 100 persons that you can add into the group. So for example, I'll want to add these two people into the group chat. Once you're done selecting, go ahead and click on chat with group. And then that's basically it. The group chat is now connected, and then you can now share your stories or make any discussions with these persons on your group chat. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is How to Search, and see you on the next one. Peace.